Hi, this is Devraj from Shure, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the stem wall, which is part of the new stem audio ecosystem. The stem wall is a 15 microphone array microphone, but it is also having speakers and subwoofers, and it is designed to be installed on a wall, or it can be placed on a credenza, just as the way I have placed it here right now. In terms of interfacing, it has two interfaces. One is an Ethernet interface, which is powered over the Ethernet, and that's the only power source it has. And it is also used for transmitting audio from the microphone and receiving for the speakers. If you want to take an audio output from the stem wall, there is a USB interface as well, which can be used to interface with the PC. For controlling the product, you have controls on one side, on the left hand side of the stem wall, which has a mute button as well as volume controls for the speakers. Now I'm going to walk back towards the room to give you a feel of how the stem wall picks up. You're hearing me right now through the stem wall itself. And let me now move back to show you how the array microphones track my audio through the room, and that's visually indicated also through the LEDs on the product. So as you can see, I'm on the other side of the room, and the tracking also is visually indicated on the microphone with the blue LEDs. And I'm now going to walk to the other side again to again show that how the pickup is being changed by the beamforming microphones. That is the stem wall. Hope you like the product. Thank you for your time. For more information, log on to www.shure.com/en-im. Thank you.